How do you add pictures to a Craigslist ad? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can add images or pictures to your ads on Craigslist. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to simply go over and then open up your browser and then go to craigslist.org, which is the default website, and based on your region it is going to set the another address bar at the front. Once you do that, we have to first create a posting, and in order to create a posting, simply tap on or click on this button which says create a posting on the top left corner. And as you click on create a posting, you have to select the type of posting which this is. So just go ahead and then select any type of postings, and then you also have to select a category. So select your categories. Once you've done so, this is some of the interfaces which you need to fill in. So based on the category which you chose, this description could vary, your title versus my title, and then the interface which you see versus the interface which I see is going to vary. So you just have to keep that in mind, and then you have to fill in these details first. So I'll just go ahead and then fill in the details. Now once you've filled in all these details, you can see there's no option to add a picture. So in order to add a picture first, we're going to click on this continue button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once we click on continue, you'll see this kind of page where it says you have to add an image. So it says this posting has 0 images. You can add a maximum of 24, upload best image first, and it is going to be featured. So just go ahead and click on add images button, and over here you can simply select the images from your computer or from your phone, whatever you're doing. So you might not be able to see the option, but this is simply it. And now hit the open button, and you can see our images has been added. You can simply select done with images over here. Now once you select done with images, after all this has actually been loaded, you can just do this and then let the images to load up, and you can see our images over here. And now you can go ahead and publish this post from the bottom right corner. And this is how you can add pictures to a Craigslist ad. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.